In this video, we're going to try and understand the significance of infrasonic sound. We're going to try and understand where they're used and why they're used so. So, in the question that we have asked, we have provided three different tracks and we have asked in which of those three tracks would the most significant amount of infrasonic sound be used. What we're going to do is we're going to conduct a very simple demonstration on an experiment. We're going to do the demonstration by the means of an infrasonic sound detector app on our phones, and we're going to try and detect the infrasonic sounds on each of those three music tracks. We're going to demonstrate and show the infrasonic frequencies through the use of a screen recording, and then we're going to try and understand why there is varying amount of infrasonic frequencies in each of those three tracks and why they are so.
Almost heaven, West Virginia.
So that was our first track. That is a song called Country Roads, which is an old English classic song. Here you can see that we detected some frequencies, but none below the range of 20 Hz.
Where are you? We got some work to do now. Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
So that was our second track. That was the theme song for Scooby-Doo. Again, you can see that we detected frequencies in the range of 29 Hz or something around that, but none below 20 Hz. That was our third track. That is the theme song of a very famous horror movie called The Conjuring. Here you can see that we detected a variety of infrasonic sound, ranging from 6 Hz, 7 Hz, 3 Hz. So, obviously, this is the one where the most significant amount of infrasonic sound is present in. So, as we have seen from the experiment and all the data that we have gathered, there is one specific track in which there is the most significant amount of infrasonic sound. That is the third track, the horror movie soundtrack. Is there a reason for this? Of course, well, there is a very specific reason why the horror movie soundtrack has the largest amount of infrasonic sound. That is because infrasonic sounds have been shown to induce anxiety, fear, and panic attacks in humans. There are several studies that demonstrate that 19 Hz, for example, is the resonant frequency of our eyeballs. So when we are exposed to 19 Hz on a prolonged basis, our eyeballs begin to twitch, and the rods and cones are affected not because of light falling on them, but because of external pressure variations. And then we start to feel uneasy. Another example is 7 Hz. 7 Hz is the median alpha rhythm frequency of our brain. So when we are exposed to 7 Hz on a very prolonged basis, we start to feel anxious, and we start to feel fearful, and we start to feel panic, basically. So these are some of the reasons why infrasonic sound is used in a very large, significant amount in horror movies.